look like.
R&B, they miss in a nutshell. Lady J is saying that if she dey vex, say they talk things about what she did the line. Not me say when she can't wear trousers way set. You know, tell her say Lady J, you sweet.
Like this her hair now, she looks beautiful. This her gown too, beautiful.
Because I tell you something where
R&B
talk last week. I tell you something where R&B talk last week. Becca said me say, Lady, I love your hair. It's so fine. She can't ask R&B. R&B, you don't see Lady J. Isn't she looking nice? He said no. I don't want to make compliment because turn to insult. Imagine.
Una not there sometimes go compliment lady from there. Will you enter quarter everywhere? Go you the hot.
My problem with you now say you know they ever learn because now they talk say we enter for halfway face. I just wake up, jump up to say today anything where R&B talk, I go vex. No, you get how you they talk something. You think say Nami and God will never
why your kukuma keep quiet now?
Answer the question now. No. You think say Nami and God will never fight, but even in spite of that, he go still compliment me.
Because I be co-host.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And then we'll be waiting.
No, but that one be the
it just be like sometimes. Hold on, may I tell you the reason? It just be like sometimes. It gets something I want to talk something to Becca. Remember, me and I'll get 4 more hours to work because I don't want to make a carry face. Call the But Lady J, I know they fit anything because I don't see me and I know they do show. So even though say I throw 1 or 2 shade, if you like not talk to me, nothing I put to my show. I don't know if you get my points. So now, you don't use that comparison at all.
So, but for now, moving forward, if you notice anything nice, compliments her, and Lady J go accept the compliment.
Good money,
you understand?
But
and then
you don't see me the money go the throw away face.
Now you the throw away face, so R&B, no they tell lies, so R&B
face for each other.
Now you they throw away the face.
Lady J go order for 2 banana bread.
Yes,
you go make 2 top tea for 1 big cup. I go. Now you know the siam. You dey come late. You dey chop one before you open prayers. Before you start to wash prayer.
Then
the other one
you go chop after the prayer when you take the call.
You don't start now.
Lady J, wait, not 2 they buy.
He consign you.
I didn't like.
He consign you. Even if I buy 10. Even if I buy 10.
Before you say praise the Lord, John those prayer, I go knock one first with 2 top tea.
You see your life
for 1 big goal.
This now why we always
get
issues.
pass and 1 green. The way they carry fast. Okay, man, leave it.
You know why people believe saying that too? Because this couple Lady J they drink tea, be like who one bath.
I agree. You know they carry them they drink tea.
No, and it's like once in a while, but the cup don't be like same person won't go bath because the water go full this cup, it needs to bath. You understand?
I said
you understand? It be like a bowl. It be like all those.
Don't start to.
You know those bowls.
Don't leave waiting.
Wait first. You know those. Lady J, you know those bowls of those days when they call who send you. You know that bowl of those days who send you.
I don't know bowl of who send you.
You know that cup when they say who send you. That big iron cup where they go flour go dirty body.
Why would they give grandpa water drink?
Now who send you? They call her now.
Una don't start.
No. You see what I talk about?
Don't start now.
No.
First of all, R&B.
Hold on. Let me talk.
You go talk. You don't talk finish.
Okay.
R&B. Waiting be the correlation of banana bread where I buy together with even good money, no gomos.
You know how to explain my explanation just now.
That you see that now the issue where I get with you. You know they ever face the issue where person they talk about. You go divert into other things where the person they do.
I say most time when I see you in the morning, wait up, you say I know they greet and good morning. Now say now you know they actually greet because most time when I see you.
So how come?
Hold on.
How come I greet other people?
Now when they read news, when I tell they see another time they boss they come, so they go sit down for around that 7:30 a.m. So as I open door. Now they say most of them know like just like this morning. If they turn tea, they cut bread. He want join prayer, maybe 7:30.
No,
prayer,
no, I don't come here 7:30.
You know,
I don't reach here 7:30 R&B.
Let me finish
you
my
did very wrong.
So most time when I come outside from studio, now I share the first jam for this side. So if I turn first, the next thing you go just strong.
So
face.
you go notice that she dey take her breakfast.
Yes.
Why should they take her breakfast? Okay, why you know they tell you
she know they greet smile
person they take breakfast. No, they feel answer.
You know they hear me. Lady J know they greet smile at that moment.
But you said first greet her first, make she smile. Why don't you go smile?
Person not give me welcoming spirit. Make I still continue to go.
Welcoming spirit. So how come they welcome the others?
Just say good morning first. And then if you
see me.
R&B before how he be.
And then if you walk out near herself, touch his hair or hug her around, say good morning.
Lady J talk now. Most of this. What he talk before now? Who they always greet you? He say na me.
And I go answer you.
So why be say you know they always
Naira, now you stop to they talk to me.
What
That's not the truth of the
always
matter.
greet me? You don't attempt since then when I stop to the greet you to say make you try greet me.
Sometimes if I stand with somebody, you go prefer to talk to the other person than me. Yes.
No, not be me.
Now you.
I avoid you both and the person.
Okay, that was one question. Okay, we agree that R&B don't admit by himself. Say if he see you in the greet whatever. You don't try greet and when you no answer.
And sometimes I ask something. If I ask a question, he go answer. That now, if I ask for that pertaining work, especially when them they do they around, I go say this thing no that you go now you go answer say no we don't.
No, you have never communicated with me for the past 2 weeks. So
I don't communicate with you.
They avoid me.
I know I don't communicate with you.
I not like if you are the person when they read spirit a lot. Godwin, if you walk out enter the studio now, and you not ready talk to me. I go code without open mouth. And instantly I go position myself. Now make I know say when you enter studio most time they look you. So the next you don't draw out Godwin now.
Spirit reader.
So you read Lady J say well Lady J not then I said that you're reading.
Now you're reading they very wrong.
So
error. R&B error.
Lady J sometimes too in the morning when you see R&B I go say R&B come and join me to have breakfast.
How you gonna chop 2 banana bread in that person?
Who tell you say that to? Who tell you say that to?
R&B that banana bread the way they call it they be like say that one big thing. It's not really big.
See, R&B don't buy 5 now in daylight now.
You see now? You see now the one where they buy to chop breakfast now you put your mind on top. The children
Becca na alakowa.
I go see say fire wow you go add more petrol just.
So you dey talk about Lady J bread see you get 5. This is typical Nigerian government.
It's fire waiting. Leave my name come off your mouth.
You see this one I be do so. That mean Nigerian government. You know what happen? All the government they shout, but the government don't do well. Poverty in the country. We they owe 77 trillion, billion of dollars of or whatever. How much do they call them? For Igbese. We the minimum wage 30,000. Some government never put money no day. We won't change. The moment all of them enter power, federal government, state government, they begin do dinner and party.
Yes, we'll help you.
Which money they spend?
They do dinner.
Yes, if I change from one TV to the other, banquet, it annoy me. You know why it annoy me?
Why?
There's nothing to celebrate. See the whole street now. Traffic everywhere. Thank you everywhere. Poverty everywhere. Now, most 99% of all these governors and even the president will come say problem they the country won't go fix it. No state government will do banquet. Yesterday,
not spend
less than 500 million.
Even more than 500.
They say, okay, your honor, sorry, your invitation. They send invitation, say, please come to this bank.
You not go.
I go go. But it don't be say. What did they do? Not they wrong. For instance, now somebody they tell me say, Godwin, why you not criticize the Timaya and then Amadi? We go perform and Kensi. I said number one, you know you say portable now 10 million being budget. We say that you know collect 5 million. Now I can't say that they budget 10 million for portable. How much they say the budget for KC and Timaya? Maybe 15-20 million. I can't say look, not be their fault. They be professional. Now I can't ask the person say you they criticize me. Say I can't say for instance I assume say you get printing press. You know like APC, you know like Tinubu.
They come bring
somebody come and say we want print all the poster for Lagos for your shop.
Print it out for me.
What is your talk? Say no. 200 million. Na APC I know they print. Or they come meet you say Oga print all the invitation card for this party. You know print. Or they say madam you be caterer provide all the buffet. You know take. You say now say exactly. Now your business. Where they get the money for no concern you. Now your business. But for me, I expect government to say, look, normally there's supposed to be a banquet. There's supposed to, but because of the condition of the country and poverty,
we can't afford that.
No banquet, please. Thank you for coming. Everybody go. Instead of no state government will do banquet, we spend less than 500 because number one they go invite them maybe like 7-8 artists. That will not use like 100 million.
If not more than.
Then you go pay for the venue, you go pay caterer, you go pay band, you go pay invitation.
If 1 billion.
Why are you spending money celebrating in a country where poverty is full everywhere?
What are you saying?
Meanwhile, some of those governors where they do this banquet now, pensioners they never collect pension. Some state governors they owe salary. They live local and foreign debt of billions.
You they go fast.
Say they do banquet.
Most of the new governor, all of them also have to complain. Say the former governor
they don't mean
heavy debt. They don't meet something for that treasury.
Meanwhile, for first day of this one, they do banquet. What you not spend money?
Yes, now.
The one where even shock me past now the. Even those I like the man, Alex Oti.
Alex Oti, the Labour Party.
They do show now.
They do no. Those one are celebration. They celebrate from the fast.
Delta do praise night.
Now free others artists.
No, they say David don't know collect $1. They say na FOC.
I feel believe say I know the kind person David will be. I feel if listen are free. But you see, most of those people, the point be say the moment you come in and you know say the state they in debt, please.
No need to the do party.
Exactly, no do party. Don't say any money when I want to but no, keep the money first. Assess waiting there for the government grant. Because more talk to they never really know what's in there on grant until they take over.
Well,
that is why the governor of Plateau State that we go don't freeze account first. Say what
they don't know what thing they go meet on ground. The new governor of Kano State, he does order executive order rather say make them start the probe of the predecessor already.
Exactly.
He say because he no meet $1 for the in an empty treasury. He means empty. He leak everything.
And not forget Gandu dollar.
So he eat the food with the call his hand, lick the plate.
He say lick everything.
Lick am clean.
Ah no.
Lick am clean.
I know. See, may I tell you where heavy case problem will come from, especially those states when change party. When they move from APC to PDP or PDP to APC or APC or PDP to Labour Party or see heavy base.
And then you come to hear things like now witch hunting.
No,
because they know that this party now new party.
Now which
anybody where enter now check if the former person thief government money they don't get immunity again. Send the FTC again after that.
He don't even talk. I mean, I'm announcing today. He talked yesterday that all these public places and assets that were immorally plundered and sold during the Ganduje administration should be taken over by law enforcement agencies led by the police, the DSS, civil defense, and IJBA, pending the final decision of the government. You can say all political appointees, heading government MD and companies are hereby relieved of their appointment with immediate effect. Similarly, all boards, MDAs, companies, institution of learning are hereby dissolved with immediate effect. Abaka had say all action say where you go take in the next few days say they targeted towards resettling the seat and to reposition it on the path of honor, dignity, respect and responsibility.
You remember saying that this thing here they tried to Rocha Zokorocha before Supreme Court and say you are not the right governor. Now make a now. Even Opus or the say deal with Rocha. Now make a Rocha Zokorocha not get Mate make noise again. Because those governors follow head on, especially head you follow head on. Now make a now you say Baba you're down, you know the two make noise again. You get. But I expect I know I may hear anybody say if you live in a glass house, don't trust to trust on the people. I want to build a half a glass house. You should be ready to replace it if they break
out. How much remain for our Nigeria treasury?
I don't know, but they don't share that. That's how the whole 364.
How much remain?
You know, the other day people they send the Nigeria accounts. The one they pay the oil basic.
As our SS crude oil account as of May is about not less than 400
we still get SS crude account.
Yes,
money
$400 million.
$400 million. That's more money been now.
$400 million. Something where they get billions of
dollars before. So now why even me I dey fear for this current administration under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? I believe say by now they don't look for ways. How can we continue? Because you talk one thing about infrastructure. He say you continue to build on the infrastructure when former administration build. That means there will be more money needed to continue such projects. Where are we going to get it from?
It don't start the right first step by stopping subsidy. All those 3 trillion what they use for subsidy every year.
At least they'll keep that one.
Secondly, now they're going to need to cut down costs from running government, which means say any serious person way if Tinubu really serious,
will do that.
No. The way the man don't start yesterday announced so this is don't end. If like say the man not ready to send anybody this time.
Actually.
So right, the cost of governance needs to come down, and I go take come down majorly when they draw budget. All these ministries they put so many nonsense when they don't need when they take the thief
when they take the off mic.
All this one make it start from that place where they did so rock where they budget 200 million for spoon and fork and knife. You have to stop.
Wait, they collect them from they bring them from heaven now.
By the time when you go cut down 100 million to carry soak away, cut down spoon and fork and computer every year. Cut down the fact say they go there say they buy official car, they come buy official spare tire. Like say new car they come with spare tire.
Yeah.
Nobody they ask question like one of those budgets some years ago when they say fumigation of the Office of National Security Advisor 1.2 billion. What did they fumigate?
Fumigate come out rat, Abby.
Yes, now 1.2 billion. How much did they take do fumigation? So by the time you go find and say by the time when you cut down all these excesses, money day. Then go National Assembly, meet people. This what do they call this thing? Federal whatever agency where they determine salaries. Guy, we need to cut down all this plenty money that they use for House of Rep and Senate. By the time you don't cut, so everybody ministers reduce their convoy, reduce their staff, reduce everything,
reduce their privileges.
Because the truth be say, if you are a father. You know, say school fees they come, house rent they come.
You go reduce your expenses.
And then your children birthday they come. You know, can't do birthday, invite 100 children, come shop. You go buy one cake, call your children, snap picture. No worry, next year we'll do a better birthday for you. Or when you complete 10, maybe the beginning at 8 now. When you complete 10 will be a significant number. You understand? Do small birthday, mark and small, no spend big money. Now, so you go down, so the country go do. We not fear afford to they pay 109 senators or two they pay them, 300 and something House of Rep members who they pay. They need to start costing all those things, all these ministers, all these plenty excesses. Not be Kayamo after I don't start finish, to say that in portfolio na illegal. Say that ministry where they give an illegal. Scrap that ministry. How much they don't spend for that ministry? By the time when you show Nigerians say, I want the cost from here for here, see how much you go come to. Nigerian go say this man serious. Before if you come to say, the money no reach, we need to borrow more. Nigerian go say, go ahead because you don't save some from here. But not be saying you go they borrow to the fund or the exorbitant lifestyle where they do, and then you can't tell us say you won't save money. No go happen.
I wish that they think like you.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.